Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber if you're new to my channel. Today, as you guys can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna be organizing my messy fridge, okay? Luckily, I have a loving and amazing husband that is right now grocery shopping, okay? Shout out to him for taking the list, following it, well, almost following the list. There's always something that he gets wrong, but we ain't gonna focus on the negative, all right? My husband is amazing, so shout out to him for doing the grocery shopping today because I had to prep all this for the video to get the fridge organized. But you guys, I'm excited. I've honestly been putting this off for a really long time. If you've been following me for like a really long time, you guys know how I feel about fridge organization. I'm kind of like 1 foot in, 1 foot out, to be honest, because the fridge is such a weird space to organize and to realistically keep nice and neat, if I'm being completely honest. But I feel like I somewhat have a system that would work for me per se. Again, this may not work for everybody, but I just wanted to show you guys how I'm organizing my fridge, and maybe the system will work for you and your family or your household, whatever. So let's just get into the video, okay? So really quick, I want to show you guys the product that I got, a quick little haul. All the product that I got here is from Home Goods and Target. So these berry bins, which I am obsessed with these, okay? They're from Target, and I really wanted some berry bins for the longest because I just like being able to have my fruit and veggies already cut up, washed, dried, ready for kind of just grab and go eating. I've realized over time that if I don't do this, then I'm not gonna eat it. Like, that's just kind of like what I realized about myself and the habits. So if I keep it in the original container, it's just not gonna get eaten at all. Like, I'm just not gonna eat it. So I also from Target got these little soda bins, and I don't actually drink soda per se, but I do have sparkling water that I always have in the fridge. And so I thought these would be cool because it takes up so much space in the fridge. So I definitely like this because you can stack it, and I usually like to have different flavors as well. So this is like a really good solution for all of that. And then I just got these regular little bins to just contain a lot of the fruits, veggies, and just other stuff within the fridge from Home Goods, as well as these little narrow bins as well. So I'm gonna do the freezer as well. So it's gonna be the fridge and the freezer. And like I said, the whole purpose of this is just to really contain things in the fridge. Again, this is not gonna be the perfect solution for everybody. I'm just gonna show you guys the entire process, but hubby just got here with some of the groceries, so I'm gonna help him really quick and just get all of this started. All right, so my berry bins are clean and they are stackable, by the way. I am in love with this product and just can't wait to put my stuff in there. Ooh, forgot that sticker. I need to clear out the fridge just to see if these products are gonna work. Anyway, let me show you guys what the fridge currently looks like. It's not cute at all, but here is the current state of the fridge. Not too bad, but obviously we can do better than this. Also, this is what the freezer looks like right now. Yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and just empty out everything so we can just wipe down the surfaces. All right, so everything is clear now. I'm gonna go through and wipe down some of the just surfaces. Good thing is most of this stuff doesn't really need to be kind of like hand washed, which is good because there's not too many like spills or anything or like residue or stickiness. So I'm just gonna wipe everything down and then put the product in the fridge. Okay, everything is all clear and clean now. So now I'm just gonna go in and put the product in the fridge. pro tip, when you're cleaning out anything in your house, make sure you are checking expiration dates, okay? Because sometimes these sauces and stuff be old. Like this is old. I'm pretty sure there's some other stuff that's old. So I'm gonna go through all of this, all the condiments, everything, just make sure that everything is not expired. Sorry y'all, my fridge is like beeping because I'm leaving it open. But I'm gonna go through everything really quick, make sure things are not expired as I'm putting it back in the fridge. And yeah, this is the fun part. Now I get to make it look aesthetic and just nice, but also functional too, because I'm really big on that. Like I want it to look very nice and like my own little mini store, but I want it to be functional and realistic. So I'm pretty certain I got a good system that's gonna work for my household. I'm not decanting any type of like condiments or even like drinks. I just don't want to decant stuff, but you can if that's your jam. Like more power to you. It's just a lot of effort, and honestly for me it's just not realistic over time. But I want to kind of have like little, I don't know, little organizational sections for my fridge of how things are going to be structured. So I'm thinking this top drawer is going to be more of just kind of like these little jar sauces. So definitely can kind of stick those here. And these are actually about to expire soon, so I need to definitely use these sooner rather than later. I need to think of a good like label name, or I could just have it like miscellaneous. I think that's probably the best thing to do, because I think they're going to be more than like jarred items in this section. Honestly, they just have to be short enough to fit on this top like section right here. All right, little side note, I just want to put a little plug in here. Y'all, this dressing is so freaking good. It's the Brianna's Homestyle Italian vinaigrette dressing, and you can get it from Kroger is where I got it from. I'm pretty sure you probably can get it from like Walmart, any like major store, but oh my God, I don't know if it's gonna focus. Look at that, oh my gosh, so good. Don't say I ain't never done that for y'all, okay? Alright, so everything is placed in the fridge as you can see, and I am going to show you guys really quick the final reveal. So here is the final reveal, and I'm honestly obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with this. This is so beautiful, but yet functional. Like, I feel like anyone can realistically achieve this look. On the sides, I just honestly just did categories, and I'm going back and forth if I should do labels in the fridge. Comment down below and let me know if I should do like little small labels. I don't know yet. I have to see how just kind of I feel about it. I will say random right here, having like beer and sour cream right there. I just had to place that right here. This is just real life. I'm keeping it real. But y'all, I'm in love. First of all, let's just get into the star, okay? Berry bins, got the bins for my fruit and veggies, and also just space to put leftovers. Like, that's the biggest thing, because I want to have space to put meal prep and leftovers, because sometimes I will meal prep for the week or just need space for leftovers, which is honestly the perfect amount of space. And also just obsessed with this. Like, this is honestly a game changer, just to use this vertical space to have the cans stacked instead of lining the cans up. So this is cool. Also, just having this right here for like extra drinks is really cool as well. Also have this bin for my yogurts, which I need to restock on that. But I am in love with just everything. Also, I really love this little moment right here, because this is really true to me. Like, we love citrus in this house. So I'll do like hot lemon water, lime for like just different drinks on the weekend or whatever, or just like oranges all the time. So we go through citrus like it ain't nobody's business, okay? So literally in love with the fridge. I do want to get a container for my eggs. I did have one previously, but I put it in the dishwasher. So pro tip, never ever ever put the clear containers and bins in the dishwasher. They're just not dishwasher safe at all. probably none of the products out there on the market. I do need to get something shallow enough to kind of divide this. This is the only thing that's kind of missing for this organization. And also, I did organize the freezer. So, look you guys, I just love how everything is contained and just so realistic and still looks aesthetic. Here is the bottom as well. So I have all of like my things for smoothies right here because we do make smoothies a lot, but we like everything frozen, all the frozen meats, frozen veggies, and then of course a little tequila action right there. But we try to do a lot of fresh foods, which is why the freezer isn't like super jam-packed. I don't really like to do too many frozen foods, but y'all, I'm obsessed. Like this is the vibe that I was going for, and it gives me room to just grow and I don't know, just be realistic about just kind of containing the items that I have. Because I don't know about you, but I'm always switching up the things I eat, so I really like just the idea of having containers for room to grow. So that's why I'm thinking I may not label. Like I may label the sides back here and like produce or like fruits and veggies, but I may just keep everything just like free flowing and contained and nice. And I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. I would love to have you part of the family. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.